Since when I start dey do this mock news, I never talk about politics one day. But today, now something make me want to talk about this politics. I no dey any party. My own be say na to get better person wey wan rule, wey wan lead. I no dey do politics. But e get one man wey make me wan talk this matter. One man for Edo State, Patrick Obayagma. Abeg make una put that picture. Na see the picture. Na see the way the man even be sef. Anybody wey see this man sef, na all those people we say they see for all those Igbiyoko. You understand? See, since when this man start dey speak this grammar, most of us they never born us. Even since then till now, Edo State can be from good to bad, from bad to worst. Edo State no dey better. I don't discuss it because this grammar say may we stop all those grammars first. Then we will see where Edo State they go. Again, one grammar where this man speak of recent. This no when they talk, when they criticize Godwin Obaseki. I want more here. Essential mate
and political vacuity in juxtapose with the armada and heterogeneous political imprimatur that has greeted the candidacy of Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu and the APC for a period of Sundays now, or if you like, for a period of iron. I am sure that your correspondent in Benin would have given a cornucopious reportage of the vaudeville of endorsements that we are getting on a daily basis. Is it not maniacally bewildering, for example, that in Oredo local government, where Governor Obaseki comes from, we have 12 councillors. 7 of the councillors in Oredo local government only a few days ago swore motto by themselves, that is, came to Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu to say we pass a vote of confidence on you. Our salaries can be put perpetually in seppuku. We don't mind. We will not kowtow before any intimidation. We will not kowtow before any blackmail. And what is interesting to you, Mr. Shehu, and what the whole world should realize, that among those 7 councillors, the councillor from Ward 4 comes from Governor Obaseki's ward, and we are talking about perpetual endorsements. That speaks volumes. In Benin, there's a Benin parable which says, which means charity begins at home. If in your own local government, 7 out of 12 councillors are saying they are not going to go for you. Oh, my brother. I am saying that if you weigh that against the welter of multiplicity of endorsements that the Ize-Iyamu candidacy have gotten, then you will not place much premium on anybody that is endorsing Governor Obaseki. And in any case, let me say to you that we have the endorsement of the ecclesiastical class in Edo State. And in the next couple of days preceding the election, you will find out that even when it comes to episcopal or theological endorsement, we have it. Don't forget that Pastor Osagie Ize-Iyamu is a coruscating pastor of the Redeemed Church. We have the endorsement of the religious establishment.
This grammar where this man speak, at times even where Godwin Obaseki dey, you no go even know wetin. Now those one be say you go insult Mr. Ebo finish, he will tell you say, God bless you. You know why? He go think say you even dey pray for her. You never even know the meaning of the course or the grammar. Since when this man they start they speak grammar, this man has never one day contributed to Edo State. He never do anything. He never win any case for court. And they call her grammarian. And this even grammar wey they speak say God even they talk say no know the meaning. God say the head is of me and the fullness thereof. But this grammar when this guy they speak, he not the dictionary, he not know the meaning. My people, it is a pitiable dismal pisma, a regrettably recudron that in Edo State, this grammarian have Abemona help me finish.
Dismal pisma. It is regrettably lugubrious in meningistinal statism, and because of the directionlessness, because of the consciencelessness, because of the purposelessness, and because of the planlessness that greeted the oil sector,
the right hand down, check
majority of Nigerians still continue to validate enthusiasm and irrational irritability. While a microscopic few that have piloted the affairs of this nation live in Byzantine luxury and progressive solicitude. Mr. Speaker, today I am happy I'm a Nigerian. I am happy I'm a member of the House of Representatives because, like I've always said, and this motion has demonstrated for the opting time that Parliament must be an instrument and vehicle of social engineering. Parliament must remain the constant morums of the people having superintendents over umbrages, contrast bonus more. Mr. Speaker, I am in perfect simulacrum with the prayers of this motion, and this is my humble logomaki, and the logomaki I made without logo passion.
Oh, just imagine, you see this grammar way speak now. No single person for that hall will know the meaning, will know anything where you talk. If this man do campaign for you, get that for mind, say 101% say you go lose the election. I just pity Izeyamu. I pity Izeyamu wey involve this man for a rally or a campaign. See, just know say you don't lose this election. I'm not there against you, I'm not there. But just because of this man, just know this man has never done anything in Edo State. He never even, at the moment I check his record, he never even win any case for court. Now grandma, now want to better Edo State. Now grandma, you know, now this one be something about Oyibo. If Oyibo they speak, check their English. See, check Nollywood movie, check Hollywood movie. If Nollywood not put grammar for their movie, see, you not go finish, you not go complete. But Hollywood, they speak their English, in moderate way. They make them moderate. They make their sentence well. They know they stress themselves. Even now, Nigerians, now most of them they go, go they study grammar. Who grammar help? This the grammar they worst everything for Edo State. And people, I know say most of them will say I know get what I want. I people say I get what they talk. Because if this kind of person do campaign for you, you go lose that election. I'm telling you the truth. With this grammar, you go lose the election. You know, most of us now grammar one call they speak. Master, go they speak. English way you don't know how to speak. Now, so somebody from Italy travel go village. Italy, go village. Go they go where they build that. Man, don't you know how you do this? I tell you because God don't be Italy where you there. Italy don't even know how to speak English self. How you call the form all those ones? That be our problem. You take country don't know how to speak English. You know, I bet I not get what I want to touch. I more subscribe to Agbons TV. More go to the get one girl, one small girl that time where go viral. What they call success. You know that girl will talk say, they go they flog, they can't go tire. That girl will be say, it can arrest the mind of many Nigerians. You know, the girl don't fall out, don't come out with her family. She don't vex. Don't say, now audio money in Nigeria. Say all those promises where they make her, where they give her, give it, papa and mama, they not do anything. I say the thing go viral. You know, people call the share, they post her. You know, the girl talk, you know, all those things. The girl talk. Say, the girl sharp, I want more now watch the video. Essential mate.
Hey guys, we're having a success is success. They go flock. They go tire. See everything I've changed for you. Success, you are fresh. Oh. Now you see all the money where they promise you, they don't give you, Abby.
No. Everything na fake. Everything they say, man, they don't do this or they don't do that. Everything na fake. They just come out ask for urban area. 27 na say they go die on this show, they go do this show, they go follow us go Abuja, America, no, this show. They post that on Facebook. Nobody say we don't wish.
Are you serious?
Yes, everything are fake.
But I say they give your father a job.
They don't give my daddy any job. And I see they did you could have make the right.
Your mom
my mommy said the job me they ever give herself. Then they pay her. They just pay out tell her say he never they paper. Give her 10,000 make it all
Are you serious?
Can't
Parents where you go now, who they pay your school fees?
It's not for my photo, sis.
now they pay me 4 and 4 6 scholarship.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That's all.
That's all.
I don't believe this thing will
Now
success.
all these people are now they be fake.
So
Promise
it's
and
audio
fake. God
money?
say yes, hold your money. God say any if you know say you know if you say anything, not just promise.
Wow, this
If
is
you know say you know.
this is deep.
Una see am? I say na country wey we dey na audio money, na only promises wey they make. We say promises dem no go do am. But I can't do one research. I can't discover say get one boy wey dey talk say mommy calm down, mommy calm down. This boy talk say mommy calm down. You know say mommy for Bible and she for Bible na a whole country. Now this way they try to tell Nigeria say Nigeria calm down. You know why? When this video come out, people come they share am. And then somebody should tell am to me say me I do am, I not do am. Sometimes I not just do am. I can't listen to the people come say Agbos calm down, Agbos calm, and he call this guy they talk about Agbos calm down. I better talk am again.
Calm down.
Agbos calm down. Now calm down. Later I can't do this. I can't discover say those families they are ungrateful. Mr. Jollof can't come out. That one can't bring out evidence how he take help the family. He even carry them go her school, go pay school fees for her. Then cause they give them 100,000 naira. And now many of you now know say even this family AY call them AY comedian. AY no be fake person. If AY meet you or reach you, AY is one of the richest comedian in Africa. You understand? And AY call this family, everybody una see and una hear am. And if AY promise una, AY no dey promise and fail. You understand? But the question now be this. I want maybe say una watch the video. Essential mate.
School fees for them. School fees. I pay the school fees for them. Give the mama 100,000. Then you come outside, call the talk say people will do good. And now give them audio money.
Okada na 100 and something. You know pay school fees. How your property?
How your property about Okada? How the girl when make video the first time take quarrel with the mama? Not because sharing. Say the mama collect blocks. That if the mama not see money, minimum 1 million naira. So 1 million naira not to share your mama life. Then you come again the talk say they not give us anything. They not give us anything. And I personally went to Sapele and paid for her school. His Majesty International School. I did it myself. And I went there with the mother, with the success herself, and with the guy that made the video. 2 other of their family, I think 3 other people. Eta Okada follow us go to school. Then when I come 1 year after, say, we not do good for now. But really talk am. If they need Rukawe. Now the day they do good for now, now know. Chris people. Now they find new money again to tarnish people image. Chris.
The question be this. Like the question will be saying Mr. Jollof ask. If truly say they not help them with anything, where the father get money to buy back, and back is about 100 something thousand naira, and the father not get back before according to their story then. Now if they don't give them anything, why the girl wey video, the couple wey video them, cause they get crash with the mother? Why Prophet Jeremiah invite the girl come in church, give her 2 million naira? Why? Because the family benefit. Jollof rice even I'm saying Mr. Jollof rice, I know they call Jollof rice, I like Jollof rice well. Mr. Jollof even thought say he say even if they not to collect anything 1 million naira, 1 million naira not go reach person take better in life. Why are we ungrateful? Just imagine this little girl now not the teacher this bad. Or the teacher how to do yahoo. This little girl now, this small girl be say the whole world already love. Now she don't kill that love wey be say people get for her. You see what I already talk say you need to be grateful in life. You need to be grateful. Learn how to say thank you. People don't be say you go give them cloth. The only thing say I want manager and they wear them. Very ungrateful human be set of people. Now the set of those people now them success family. You understand? You give some people something, you give them something, they don't go appreciate them. They don't go ever appreciate them. They are very ungrateful. Now be those set of people. Now at least learn how to say thank you. Even if you not tell God thank you for what He do for you, He not go do again. If I do something for you, yeah, I might not need your thank you, but at least just tell me thank you. I will say no, don't mention, but not allow. Inside us we be happy. When disciples come meet Jesus, they just say, Master, we went to a place like this. They all bow to your name. Understand? Jesus, what did Jesus tell them? He said, no, rejoice not now, not those things now. But the Bible says when they come on, Jesus smile. He happy. He happy. You understand? I bet sometimes it's still good to say thank you. To fulfill all righteousness, like Jesus always talk. When Jesus reached some certain place, we say they want to preach the gospel. Now Jesus asked Peter, who those people they collect tax from? Is it from strangers or from their people? Now Peter said from strangers. But they come meet them. Una go need to pay tax before una go pass a border. Before una go do what I want to do for here. But Jesus look okay, money no dey. Just imagine a whole general overseer of the whole church. Money no dey in pocket. But he was always concerned about everybody. Yet, what did he do? He tell Peter, he said, go to the stream, cast a hook on the stream, then catch a fish, open the mouth of the fish, you will see coin. Take the coin. He said, lest we offend them, go and pay for me and pay for yours. Make so that we not offend them. Our Nigerians, we are too stiff. I want to put her now, just like Stephen tell them Paul, and that understand them saw that time. Our heart even strong past our forefather. Just imagine this little baby now. Waiting Nigeria just do for you. There are a lot of people that need this kind of opportunity they not get, but you just get opportunity now. You can't come out, they talk nonsense for you understand. No, now. The thing just they provoke me. I don't know what they teach this little girl now. What they teach her now? Because they want get again now. Maybe this one now the president now Buhari now go come out, can't give them or can't help them. I don't want to talk more, learn how to appreciate more. Go to the next story. Don't forget to subscribe to Agbon's TV. Thank you very much.